Imagine two people. One wakes up early, gets ready for work, travels to the office, works for 9 hours, comes home tired, eats dinner, sleeps, and waits for salary at the end of the month. The second person wakes up, checks their phone, and sees something interesting. $120 earned, $85 earned, $300 earned. And the strange part is, this person did not go to work today. This is not a movie. This is not luck. This is how money works in 2026. And in this video, I will show you a simple money roadmap to make money online, even if you are starting from zero. Most people still believe one old rule about money: go to school, get a job, work for 40 years, then retire. But the internet has changed the money game. Today, money is not earned only by working more hours. Money is earned by building assets on the internet. Let me explain this in a very simple way. There are only two ways to make money in life. The first way is to work for money. The second way is to build something that makes money for you. Rich people focus on the second one. Poor and middle-class people focus only on the first one. This is not about working hard or being lazy. This is about understanding how money actually works. Think of the internet like a big digital city. In this city, you don't need land, you don't need a big office, and you don't need employees to start. You just need a phone, internet, and one useful skill. And in this digital city, there are 4 main ways to make money online. Let's call this the online money map. The first way is content. If you create content on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, you can make money from ads, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and by selling your own products. Content is like digital property. Just like a house can give you rent every month, a video can pay you for years. That means you do the work once, and you get paid again and again. This is called passive income. The second way is skills. If you learn a skill like video editing, graphic design, animation, writing, social media management, website design, or AI content creation, you can sell that skill online. Websites like freelancing platforms connect you with clients from all over the world. Here, you are not working a normal job. You are working as a digital freelancer, and many freelancers earn between $500 to $5,000 per month. The third way is digital products. This is how many smart people make money online. They create courses, ebooks, templates, presets, digital art, music, or online tools. You create the product once, and you can sell it hundreds or even thousands of times. Create once, sell many times. That is the power of digital products. The fourth way is investing. This is the final and most important step of the money map. Once you start earning money online, you should not just spend it. You should invest it. You can invest in index funds, stocks, ETFs, businesses, or even your own YouTube channel and digital assets. This is how money starts making more money. And this is the point where you stop working for money, and money starts working for you. Now, here is the biggest difference between rich people and poor people. Poor mindset says, I need to find a job to make money. Rich mindset says, I need to build a system that makes money for me. In 2026, the people who become rich will not be the people who work the hardest. They will be the people who build digital assets, like YouTube channels, social media pages, digital products, online businesses, and investments, because assets pay you again and again and again. So the money map is simple. Step 1, learn a skill. Step 2, use that skill to make money. Step 3, use that money to build content or digital products. Step 4, invest the money. Step 5, build assets. And step 6, passive income begins. This is the money roadmap for 2026. And always remember this simple rule: jobs make you money. Assets make you wealthy. Zack here. Thanks for watching. This is Zack Money Map, your roadmap to wealth.